Our today's question is from mensuration, and I tell you, this is one of the most important questions of mensuration that 10 students face. The question is, water flows through a circular pipe of radius 7 centimeter at the rate of 5 meter per second into a reservoir in the shape of a cone surmounted by a cylinder. If the common diameter be 7 meter and heights of the conical and cylindrical parts be 12 meter and 11 meter respectively, find the time taken to fill the reservoir. This diagram was not there. I have drawn it before I start the explanation. So we have drawn this one. So you will draw the diagram. Let me explain you the diagram. This is the pipe through which the water is coming, and this is the radius of the pipe which I am denoting as R. It is said that the water is flowing from here at the rate of 5 meter per second. So the flow is at 5 meter per second. The water is flowing from here. Where it is going? It is going to a reservoir where in the shape of a cone surmounted by a cylinder, means there is a cone below and on the top of the cone there is a cylinder. This is cylinder surmounted on a cone. So we have taken both the radius are same. So this radius and this radius, both these radius have taken same as capital R. The height of the cone, we have taken it as H1. The height of the cylinder is taken as H2. So what are the informations given as per in the question? So here the radius of the pipe 7 centimeter. So R 7 centimeter. But see, all other, this is 5 meter per second, this is 12 meter, this is 11 meter, this is 7 meter. So since all are in meter, I'll convert this one also into meter. So how can I do it? So 7 centimeter means 7 by 100 meter. I've converted this one into meter. Rate of 5 meter per second, this rate is 5 meter per second given. The common diameter be this, the common diameter is this radius. So this R will be, if diameter is 7, so R will be 7 by 2 meter. The heights of the conical and cylindrical first come conical. So conical is 12 meter, that is H1 is 12 meter and H2 is 11 meter. These are the information, the data that is provided to us. Now, how to find out the time taken to fill this system? So, what we'll find out, we'll first find out how much quantity of water is going into this reservoir per second. In 1 second, how much quantity of water is coming from this pipe into this particular reservoir. Now see, this pipe is cylindrical in shape. So volume of water poured into the reservoir is equal to pi r square h. That's the formula for volume of cylinder. So pi as it is, small r is 7 by 100 square into h. H is, now this, what will be h? Since it is 5 meter per second, that means I can think that in 1 second time, so the entire volume of water up to the length 5 meter will go into the tank in 1 second time. So we can take this 5 as the height of the cylinder. So this becomes volume of water poured into the reservoir pi r square h. Now, total capacity of the tank. Total capacity of the tank. because we need this. Because since I have got how much quantity of water is being poured into the reservoir, this is reservoir. So we'll write it reservoir. Total quantity of water poured into the reservoir in 1 second time, this is this much. Now if I know the capacity of this particular reservoir, then this divided by this quantity of water poured, that will give me the time to needed to fill up this particular reservoir. So total capacity of the reservoir will be what? Will be volume of this cone plus volume of this cylinder. So that will be equals to volume of cone plus volume of cylinder. What is volume of cone? Volume of cone is 1/3 pi r square h1 plus pi r square h2. So from here I can take pi r square common and I'm left out with h1 by 3 plus h2. So that will give me pi r square. Your r value we already got it. Value of capital R is 7 by 2. So we'll write pi 7 by 2 whole square into h1. h1 is 12. So 12 divided by 3 is 4 and h2 is 11. So 11 plus 4, this is 15. So time taken to fill is equal to what? Total capacity divided by quantity poured in 1 second. Total capacity is this one. Total capacity is pi 7 by 2 square into 15, and quantity poured in 1 second is this one, pi 7 by 100 square into 5. This pi cancels. This 5 becomes 3. Here 7 square and this 7 square will get cancels, and this 100 will go, somersault will go up. So up we have got 3 into 100 into 100, and down we have 2 2's will come down. So this 2 will give me 50, this 2 will give me 50. So 50 into 50 is anything else, all left out. So this is 50 into 50, 2500, and this 7500. No, 25 into 3, 7500 seconds. So if we want to convert it into minutes, so this will be 7500 divided by 60, that will give me minutes. So that will be, if you divide by 60, so you get this 0 off, 616, 15, 6 2s are 12, 3065, 125 minutes. 125 minutes means if you want to write, so this becomes 2 hour 5 minutes, because 125 minutes, 2 hours means 2 into 60, that becomes 120 minutes and 5 minutes. 2 hour 5 minutes is the time taken by this pipe to fill this entire reservoir. Hope you have followed the working of the sum. I'll give you a similar type of sum for you to try and leave your answer in the comment.